Tarped up, a little rainy today. Clearing up.
So like, you bring in your whole tackle box and everything?
For what?
Or you just have a tiny little one anyway, don't you?
For what?
Tackle.
Oh, I wasn't gonna bring my fishing stuff.
What's that?
I'm not gonna bring my fishing stuff.
No, you decide not to?
Nah, screw it.
Godspeed. Thanks.
I gotta record just in case they dump it accidentally. Nice. Oh. That rock was under thing. I did not see that rock. It looked like a smooth spot.
Well, so I'm gonna go back and get my patch kit.
It didn't look like it was gonna do that.
Well,
I saw roots
on it, so we're tippy as fuck.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll get out. Oh, you're getting us off now? Yeah. Oh shit! You still can't see it. It's under that grass.
Jesus Christ.
Maybe we'll come a little less hot.
Okay. Well, over there? Jesus Christ, they're flying, eh? Yep. Yeah, that's definitely it, because that was the other portage there, and was like the other side of the other corner of the lake. Well, this creek looks like it's got plenty of water, dude. But I wouldn't be surprised if it's something that's like almost dry in the summer. That's why nobody uses it. So, how's it look?
Not so great.
Huh?
Not so great.
Why?
You'll be bogging it.
What?
Might be like a little, maybe canoe size.
Oh, just like a dam or something? Just a dam's no big deal. Oh, I see. Yeah, it might not work.
So our goal here today was to try to take this little creek that we found on Garmin Explorer. It doesn't actually show up on our paddling maps, but in Garmin Explorer it showed this really thin little creek, and we thought if we could take this creek, if we could get through it, it would actually completely avoid Heart Attack Marie, that really crazy portage, but it would also save us a whole ton of time.
Oh, shit, which way do we go?
Hit the high falls, go see those for a little bit, and then that would also be a much faster way for us to go the next day.
I was thinking we had to go in there.
So that was what we're trying to do here. We're hoping to squeeze through that little creek.
Let's see what happens.
So it turned out that we couldn't get through that creek, and I don't know what happened. I could have swore I was recording for a bunch of that when we were trying to do it, but there were some funny parts with like Ed getting himself half stuck in the mud and stuff like that. Unfortunately, I don't know where all that footage went. But either way, we had to take the long way and got ourselves around, and here we are at the high falls.
camera.
Hopefully I'm gonna make a really cool effect.
So there was ice in here like 2-3 weeks ago. 2-3 weeks ago there was still ice in this. Probably the warmest part, you're right. Oh, fuck. You can tell the water, but you can tell there was ice in here not that long ago. Shit. So is he looking to do the slide? Oh, my heart's not. I thought my heart rate would be spiking or something. Heart rate's at only at 92. Yeah, it's going into hypothermia. Good eat. Feels good though. It's cold. Oh, last full day, guys.
Last full day.
Crazy, eh?
You jumping in?
You gonna dive? You gonna dive?
No, no. There's rocks all over the place.
Just go for a slide. Just go on the slide.
I know as soon as I walk, I'm gonna fucking break my ass.
That's why I got in like I did. It's so slippery, man.
Yeah.
It's crazy slippery.
Take the shock out of it and just do the slide.
Yeah.
Believe me, your balls will just come right up to your throat to get away. That's exactly what happened to me when I sat down. It was like,
You know, I'm looking for excuses. I'm like, fuck, it's not coming back.
I didn't know you was gonna go that far.
Fuck me, that's cold. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
I didn't know you were gonna do that.
Oh, that's cold.
I did.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be better when I got in. Nope. Oh.
Well, you gotta wait a bit. It does take a little patience.
There's this waterfall.
Sure enough, Et was the only one with the kahunas to go for the water slide that day. The rest of us were just looking at how fast it went down. Thought, boy, that's probably too fast. I super regret not just doing it. It would have been a ton of fun. Next time for sure.
Like, fuck it. Oh shit. Oh fuck, it wasn't bad at all. No, it wasn't bad at all. Hell yeah! It's like fucking Ronnie Scott squat. He's fucking toting stuff. He's toting stuff over there. He's gonna have to swim. He's coming across. Yeah, it's the only way you go. Or he's gonna get swept in and do this again. One of the two. got a little worried because he got grabbed and started to go sideways. For a second, I'm like, oh fuck. Oh shit! That's awesome. Sun's hot when it comes out though, man. Hell yeah.
So you're not doing it?
No, I'm not doing that.
The high falls were absolutely amazing. They're beautiful. The water was cold, but it felt so good. It's kind of like the
Somebody
nice
else paddling
refresher
down
bath
there.
for us after being out in the backcountry for 5 days without a bath. And yeah, I was glad we made it there, and time to head back to camp. This here is what one of the portages gets us around. I really think we could have run it if we were going the same way as the current. I really think it's doable. I can talk anybody else to get it. Okay.
There's a bunch of that black over there too. That's like, I don't know what that's from. They're big drops though. They're making pretty good splashes. I felt like we weren't turning. I was trying to turn even though I know I shouldn't be trying to turn. There's a lure hanging on that.
We can only crash so many times.
Who needs it? We didn't crash.
It's because I was backpedaling like I way more.
Anybody need a spoon? There's a spoon there.
Yeah.
So here we are doing the start of Heart Attack Maria again. This is a fun little go, but at least in this case we don't have all our backpacks with us because we're just out day tripping, so all we have to really worry about is carrying the canoe, so it isn't so bad.
The hardest part's up there, so this part's not bad. So that's fine here.
Some good little huge steps and big rocks to step up and over on this one, but once you get it kind of going, it's not too bad when it's just the canoe.
Well, it's been a lot of bugs this week, but other than the bugs, great trip. Fishing, sight, people, everything awesome. But these bugs.
40 kilometers away though.
Come on, man, tug.
So on our way back to the access point to head out of the bush, we came across this, what I think was maybe a pike, and there was a turkey vulture feasting away.
Try not to fall. What is
And of course,
It's got to be a pike or
up
something.
in the
eh? It's
trees,
huge.
there was a bunch waiting their turn too.
The canoe made that little crack. He jumped.
And we were just about to the finish line when the rain came.
Little rain? Right on, eh?
Let's fucking go.
So we took our time, got ourselves a little dried out, and as we were leaving the access point, we saw a moose. So that's a pretty good trip since we got to see a bear at the beginning and a moose at the end. It was perfect. We capped off our trip at this restaurant that was on the river, and it was pretty cool. It had all these rapids and stuff. It was a nice way to finish the week.